Welcome back, guys, to Quick and Dirty Marketing on YouTube. Today's video is about email messaging, and we're gonna give you the recipe for doing a great job with your emails using 5.5 critical ingredients for every email. So stick with us and we'll cover them right now. Okay guys, go ahead and smash the like button for me, and then we'll dive right into the 5.5 things you've got to have in every email in order to get great results. So we're talking about emails that you're going to be sending out to prospect leads, and even in your follow-up series and automation series that you have going out in some cases to customers, especially in the case that you're doing some cross-sell efforts or you're trying to increase the total customer value, right? How much every customer is purchasing from you. So let's take it from the top. The first thing you got to focus on is the subject line. Now, everybody knows that needs to be in there, but I want you to put that on a checklist so that you double check and make sure that you're really putting some time in on those. Two things you need to have with your subject line are intrigue, right? And something that's compelling or relevant to your target. All right, so you have some intrigue because you need to get them, intrigued enough where they want to open the email, right? So the goal of the subject line is to get the email opened, right? So focus on that. The next piece is your opening line or headline to the email. And that headline goal is simply to get them to read the body content of the email, right? So the headline, its only function is to get them to continue reading. And oftentimes that means you're going to state a problem that you know that they have, or some sort of pain point that you are aware of with your prospect leads or you're inside your niche, right? And that's immediately going to screen the folks off that are having that problem, and they're going to want to hear more, right? So that's a good way to get them to read more. The next, part of the email is the body. And this is where you really got to pay attention to what I'm going to tell you, because there's three critical pieces in the body that you just cannot miss. Now, we made up an acronym here that we use called the WBA. And the W stands for what I got, or what it is, right? What is it? It answers that question. Like, what are you offering? What is the service? What is this whole thing about? The B is the benefit to the buyer, the reader, or that target person. What benefit do they get by this thing that you just cited? Okay, and then the 0.5, the piece that a lot of folks forget in their marketing, right? Is they might get the benefit, they might say what the thing is, but they forget this really important part. So if there's one thing you take away from today's video, this is it. Make sure you attach that benefit to the meaning that they're going to get in their lives. What does it mean to get this benefit? Does it mean they're going to save time, save money, make money, avoid pain, avoid embarrassment, be more competitive, right? You've got to attach some meaning to the benefit, okay? So that really will enhance the results of your emails. The last piece, the WB, and the last one is the A, is a statement about the action they need to take, right? So do they need to click to set an appointment, join a webinar, buy the thing, fill out a form, whatever that action is, you got to make sure you include that. So if you do a checklist from today's video, you should never have an email that goes out that doesn't have an action statement or a call to action on it, right? So those are the 5.5 things. I know that you'll do a lot better if you make sure you just go down that list on every email that you set up to send. Go ahead and smash the like button for me and subscribe, and you'll see us on the next one. Thanks for watching.